Hello everyone, this is Anuj from GadgetGig. Today we have with us one more mystery box and this time it's from Lava. And here we can see it's about the Blaze Pro. So let's find out what we have inside. So we get a magnifying glass and here we have this scroll letter. So now we know what this magnifying glass is for. And then here we have the phone itself. So now let's do the unboxing and show you the features. In the front of the box we have the model name Blaze Pro and here we have the picture of the phone. At this side we can see we get the 100 days of screen replacement with this phone. At the back we have the color options and the one we have here is the blue variant. And now about the key features, we get the premium frosted glass back, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, Android 12, 50 megapixel AI triple camera setup along with the 8 megapixel selfie camera, 5000 mAh battery, 6.5 inch HD plus display with the 90Hz refresh rate, Mediatek G37 octa-core processor. You get the side fingerprint sensor with the face unlock and the bottom firing speaker. And for this phone, you get the free service at home and also you can book a free demo for this phone on the Lava website. And this smartphone is made in India. The MRP on the box is Rs 12,999. However, you can purchase this phone right now for 9,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get this mini box and here we have the SIM removal pin along with the soft TPU clear case and the quality of the case is decent. Then below it we have the info about the in-home service and after that we have the phone itself. And guys, my first impression is that this frosty back glass design does look very good and it gives this phone a nice look and feel. We will look at the phone in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the Type-C charging cable and then we have this 10-watt power adapter. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartphone closely. Lava Blaze Pro is the upgraded version of the Blaze which was launched recently. And looking at the design and build quality, I can't believe that this phone is priced under Rs 10,000. The glass back looks very good and you get this frosty design on it. And yes, due to that, you won't see any fingerprints on it. The build quality is again very good. And apart from the glass back, you get the flat edge design, but it's made up of plastic. But still, the in-hand feel of the phone is very good. In terms of the overview, we have the 6.5 inch HD plus IPS display in this phone. And also, you get the 90Hz refresh rate. On the top, we have the 8 megapixel selfie camera and the earpiece. And guys, here I must tell you that the notch design and the minimal bezels on this phone looks pretty good. Looking at the side of the phone, we have the volume buttons along with the power button, which is also the fingerprint sensor. On the other side, we have the SIM tray and it's a triple slot SIM tray. At the bottom, we have the headphone jack, mic, Type-C port for charging and the bottom firing speaker. Now looking at the back, we have this premium looking glass back and on the top, we have the camera setup. So we get the triple camera setup on this phone and here we get the 50 megapixel main camera along with a 2 megapixel depth sensing and a macro camera. And next to it, we have the flashlight. And looking at the bottom, we have the Lava branding. So in terms of the design and build quality, we're really impressed with this phone and this phone does look and feel pretty good. Now let's turn it on and we'll show you how it performs. So here we have set up the phone and the first thing we have noticed here is that this phone is definitely better than the Blaze. There are no major stutters or lags while going through different pages or opening new apps. And that is mainly due to the 4 GB RAM and also you get the 3 GB virtual RAM support in this phone. So about the OS, we get the Android 12 in this phone and this phone surprisingly comes with no bloatwares. And here you can see, we get the almost stock Android-like experience in this phone. And about the storage, we get the 64 GB internal storage in this phone, but you can use a micro SD card to expand the storage. Now looking at the display, the screen performance is good and you can watch content on YouTube at 1080p. And the output is very good. You get good viewing angles and the colors are also vibrant. Though we don't have the wideband L1 support in this, so you can't watch content on Netflix and Amazon Prime Video in high definition. And now about the camera performance, the cameras are also improved and the performance is decent for both indoors and outdoors. And during our testing, we found the performance very good for both front and the rear camera setup. And here are a few sample pictures. And again, keeping in mind the pricing, the performance of this phone is very good. Now let's talk about gaming. So can you do gaming on this phone? The answer is yes. So we have played Call of Duty on this phone and for heavy games like COD, you can play them at low graphics settings. And you will not face any problem and also we didn't notice any heating issues. We have also played Rocket League. Usually we get 60 FPS constantly on high-end phones and here it was around 50 FPS which is not that bad. And the game was definitely playable. About the performance more, the fingerprint sensor at the side works good and the detection is fast. The speaker performance is also decent and will be good for watching videos on YouTube and playing games. And now lastly about the battery. So you get the 5000 mAh battery in this phone and it can easily last up to 2 days with the modded usage. But the 10 watt charger is not good. I wish we had a higher capacity charger with this phone. So overall the Lava Blaze Pro is a very good upgrade from the Lava Blaze. You're getting a better screen with the 90Hz display and performance wise it performs really good, and for daily casual usage this phone will not disappoint you. You can also do gaming on it but at low settings. So in short, if you're in the market for a phone under Rs 10,000, then we highly recommend you to check out this premium looking smartphone from Lava. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Lava Blaze Pro. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this phone in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.